Hello, I'm Eddie Farah, and thank you for watching The Legal View. A lot of people are always asking us, what's their liability if they co-own a vehicle with someone else? Well, the Florida Supreme Court has recently ruled that when a car is titled in multiple names, the non-driver is liable for the driver even if the non-driver intended to give the car to the other owner, he never had a key to the car, or in any way had access to the car. In this case, the co-owner tried to argue that he had no beneficial ownership of the vehicle and had no power to control the vehicle even though he was a co-owner. The court said, however, that even though he never intended to exercise control over his ex-wife's car and he never used the car or had control over the car, he was still responsible because he was a co-owner. To make things worse, there's a Florida statute that gives some limitations to the amount of damages that can be recovered against a person who loans his or her car to someone else. However, in this case, the ex-husband is a co-owner and will not be able to take advantage of those caps. The court's ruling holds that even if you intended to give the car to the other owner and never intended to use it and never did use it, you're still responsible. Thank you for watching The Legal View.